Hey, this is Doug Peterson with Carolina Rural Homes. I wanted to highlight a lot in Wilson that we're going to be developing. We're going to be bringing in a single wide home to this lot, and this is just to point out that our involvement is not only for buying and rehabbing existing property, but we're also involved in developing lots. This will eventually be a rental property. We won't be selling this, but it'll be a rental property. Approximately 1,100 square foot, 3-bedroom home will go here. And we're going to be involved in all the rough electric, overseeing the rough plumbing installation, the skirting, the professional setup of the home, the skirting, the steps, the whole process from beginning to end. And then there will be eventually a home here ready for a new renter. So this is just to show some of the work that we're doing, whether it's developing mobile home lots or renovating and reselling homes. You can be rest assured that Carolina Rural Homes is active in the state. We focus only on North Carolina properties, and that's our specialty. So if you would like to discuss doing business with us, I look forward to talking to you. This is Doug Peterson. Thanks.